In this video, we'll uncover the secret strategies of the rich and discover how they protect their assets and minimize their tax liabilities by utilizing these 3 no-income tax countries. Discover the top countries to live in the world with wealthy life and turn your dreams into reality by setting up a life you don't need to escape from. If you've ever wondered how the rich avoid paying taxes, an ideal method is to use no-tax countries as a way to protect their assets and avoid taxes. It is important to note that tax avoidance is not the same as tax evasion, which is illegal. For example, transferring business interests to lower tax countries is a common practice to minimize tax liabilities among multinational corporations and high net worth individuals. As taxation never stops being a hot discussion topic, we've investigated the top 3 options of no-income tax countries that are loved by the rich. Don't go anywhere, because the best is yet to come. I'll also be sharing the cost of living in these countries at the end. Spoiler alert, it's not expensive, to watch this video at least. Cayman Islands. Probably the world's most efficient environment with no income tax, the Cayman Islands are a tax haven in the Caribbean Sea. Apart from having no income tax, this country also has no payroll, capital gains, and withholding tax. And good news for shoppers in Cayman Islands, the VAT rate is 0%. It's no wonder that the rich and successful are flocking to this island nation, right? Additionally, this island nation has no corporate tax, making it a haven for multinational companies to have subsidiaries that will protect them from taxation. Thus, you can say that this country is one of the best tax-free countries for business. Despite its small size, the Cayman Islands has a high standard of living, with good infrastructure, a stable political environment, and a well-developed tourism industry. Some of the popular activities in the Cayman Islands include snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing, golfing, and more. However, it is true that the island does have a limited selection of activities compared to larger countries, and as a result, some people may choose not to live there permanently. Monaco. Monaco is a no-income tax country, but unlike Cayman Island here, the VAT rate is 20%. Then why is this country chosen to minimize tax liabilities? The rich choose Monaco for several reasons, despite the 20% VAT rate. The 2 most important reasons are attractive tax system and luxurious lifestyle. Monaco has long been considered a tax haven because of its favorable personal and corporate tax rules. It does not have an income tax, wealth tax, or inheritance tax, making it an attractive destination for the rich to avoid paying taxes. Additionally, Monaco has a favorable exchange rate for foreign currency and a stable political climate, making it a desirable place to live or keep assets. It is a prestigious and upscale destination, attracting wealthy individuals and high-end businesses. Monaco is well known for being a playground for European elite. It sports one of the most impressive marinas in the world, exclusive casinos, and a Formula One track right through the city. The high standard of living in Monaco, with its luxury shopping, dining, and entertainment options, is a major draw for the rich who want a luxurious lifestyle. Monaco is also a popular tourist destination due to its climate and casino. As such, the country relies heavily on the tourism industry to generate revenue. Bahamas. The Caribbean's Bahamas provides individuals and corporations an idyllic location as a long-established tax haven. There are no income taxes, nor is there an estate tax, sales tax, capital gains tax, wealth tax, gift tax, or inheritance taxes. It is the ultimate dream of any rich person with its lack of any form of tax. The Bahamas banking institutions are renowned for their discreetness and their commitment to privacy, especially regarding information sharing. It is a conglomeration of over 700 islands that lay close to the US, which remains its major trading partner. Because of the close proximity to the United States, the Bahamas enjoy a relative wealth and high standard of living. Naturally, you will see many Americans there. The Bahamas is also known for its stunning beaches, clear waters, and lush tropical landscapes, making it an attractive destination for the wealthy seeking a luxurious lifestyle. There is a relatively high level of crime, but the residential areas in which the rich people reside have high security and are safe. Earlier in the video I said, I'm going to share with you the cost of living in these countries. With such low taxes, those who want to live there will really need that extra money to cover the high cost of living. The cost of living in Cayman Islands, Monaco, and Bahamas are all relatively high compared to many other countries. Cayman Islands, located in a remote location, has high prices for necessities such as housing, food, and transportation, as well as luxury goods and services like high-end restaurants and shopping. Monaco, being a wealthy and exclusive destination, has a cost of living that is 47% higher than the U.S., one of the highest in the world, and the rent costs are about 440% higher. Housing costs in Monaco, particularly in the city center, are upwards of $5,000 to $6,000 per month. Monaco's small size and limited land availability drive up real estate prices. In the Bahamas, the cost of living is high, but it varies based on location and lifestyle, with higher prices in tourist areas like Nassau and Freeport and lower prices in more remote islands. Housing, food, transportation, and entertainment can be relatively expensive in comparison to other Caribbean islands with luxury goods and services costing more. Don't miss out on this video, where you'll find tailored solutions for moving abroad, regardless of your wealth status. I'll see you there.